Well, today is July the 17th. It's terribly hot outside, 95 degrees, humid. Still working on the 6 horsepower International Model M. I've got the block all stripped out, set it up on some sawhorses here, getting ready to clean it up. Over there's the flywheels. I've got those cleaned up, primed and painted. I removed all the cylinder head studs, make it easier to clean up around the block there where the head gasket needs to seal. It looks pretty good inside. I don't see any cracks or breaks or anything like that. The cylinder head had a lot of breaks in it and has been repaired. Got some of the parts over here ready to be cleaned up. This is the worst part of rebuilding or restoring one of these engines, is cleaning up all the old parts. It's a very messy job. I start out with scraping all the grease and dirt off I can, and then I wash all the parts off with mineral spirits. And some of the smaller parts I put in a sandblast cabinet and blast them off. There's the main bearing caps and the piston and rod. 4 3/4 inches bore. What a piston. I got a nice surprise when I took off the fuel tank. All the fittings come out. Normally these are all rusted, and you usually twist off the pipe in here or something. Now, I haven't taken this one out yet, but I think it'll come out okay. You don't want to twist these off or twist the fitting in a tank. New tanks are available, but I think I can salvage this tank. Normally this is all rusted out here. This is the bottom. But I'll clean this all up, clean it out inside, and use a fuel tank sealer inside of it. So things are going my way with the fuel system. I don't think this tank's ever been out since the engine was new. 4 piston rings, 3 of them, well, there's actually 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 piston rings. 4 of them were loose, but the 5th one, this one is stuck in a groove. But we'll get that loosened up, no trouble there. These are all the fittings out of the fuel tank. I'm glad they all come out without twisting off. Well, I take that back. One did twist off. The vent pipe twisted off. No trouble, we'll fix that. But these bigger ones are a real problem when they twist off in a tank. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.